Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV. Welcome to Austria Arms Action Days. I'm here at the IGB booth with, we never met, Viktor. Hi, James, nice to meet you. Tell us, what is IGB?
What is IGB? Well, IGB Austria, that's important. IGB Austria is for quality. So what we do is we make barrels, replacement barrels, not just for Glock, but for also classic stuff like Steyr hand, for example. I think you've got a video about it.
Yep.
So if someone wants to caliber change it, 765 para, for example, 9x19, we got you. We do P210 barrels, we do extended barrels, 16-inch barrels, in case someone's got a stock system and he doesn't want the SPR stamp.
You've got them.
We've got them since 25 years.
I'm sure that there are a lot of viewers out there who have a gun that's older, that they are worried maybe it's not supported or they can't find a barrel for it, and they should call you guys up.
Definitely. We can do every barrel. We've got a full in-house production of our blanks, so we really get the steel, and then we do all the inner manufacturing, outer manufacturing, hardening, PVD coating, and also worldwide shipping, in fact. So we're not limited to Austria. In fact, Austria is a small market for us. A lot go to the US, for example, or Germany. This is our market.
What are your most popular products in the US?
In the US, it's line quits, so .380 barrels for 19, for example. A lot of people want Glock 19 in .380. Glock
Wait. So people will get a 380 conversion for a Glock 19?
Yes, absolutely, no problem.
And you do that?
We do that. It's just a barrel, and the magazine is the 9x19 magazine.
So it'll work.
It works.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It works.
Okay, yeah. I think that's probably the hook for the video. It's 380, make your Glock 19 a 380.
What else do we do? We also do 22 long rifle conversion kits. This is a full kit, but it's exclusively for the European market. So we do not ship this to the US, sadly.
Yeah. But I mean, it's neat. You do a 22 conversion kit for the Glock 17.
We do, yeah. I mean, caliber change is a huge thing for us here in Europe because we're limited with all the places and stuff. So if you got a Glock 22, you can get 5 or 7 calibers in it or out of it. I'm
just curious, how much is a Glock 17 22 conversion kit?
Roughly 700 euros.
Okay, and then if I wanted one of these 380 Glock 19 barrels, what would that set me back?
Roughly 300.
Okay, and then why would I go with, say, your barrels versus a U.S. manufacturer, one of your competitors?
Why should we go with us? That's pretty easy because we've got quality manufacturing, we prove every barrel, we do blank production in-house, and we also, in the last 25 years, we learned a lot about manufacturing. And I'm not going to tell you how we do it exactly, but everything is really in line.
I was this close from opening my competing barrel business in the United States. I'm kidding. I wasn't, when I'm in Europe, I forget that sometimes the James Reeves humor, it already sucks in America, but it's even worse in Europe.
I can tell you, we are the biggest independent European barrel manufacturer. That's what we are. And we've got US customers, and we are I think 2 or 3 times as expensive as the competitors, and they still buy from us. So this tells you something.
Great point. And on that note, thank you very much. I appreciate the walkthrough. No, pleasure was all ours. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from Action Days.